Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Farmer Goku in Dragon Ball Azure. First, you will need to gather specific clothing items from various in-game vendors. Next, we will adjust your character's physical features to match the iconic look. Finally, we will assemble all the pieces to create a truly authentic Farmer Goku. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your character stands out with this classic, humorous style. To begin, head to the accessory shop and purchase the farmer's straw hat. This iconic headwear is crucial for the look. Next, visit the clothing shop to find the farmer's work shirt and the matching farmer's work pants. These form the core of his everyday outfit. Don't forget the farmer's boots to complete the ensemble, ensuring your character is ready for a hard day's work. Beyond the clothes, character customization is key. Choose a spiky, black hairstyle that closely resembles Goku's classic base form. For the face, select an expression that conveys both friendliness and a hint of determination. You might also consider adding a scouter accessory for a fun, unexpected detail. Finally, ensure your character's skin tone and overall build align with Goku's familiar appearance. Now it's time to bring it all together. Equip all the farmer's clothing items and any chosen accessories onto your character. Take a moment to fine-tune your character's height and build, aiming for a look that feels just right. Once satisfied, save your custom preset so you can easily switch to your Farmer Goku anytime. Enjoy showcasing your unique creation across the game's many modes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.